follow silang performance kay God kaya, so bear with us. Ano siya, actually dugay naman siya gipraktisan, so confident nga ni mga 25 minutes ago. So medyo confident niya. Ano? Sige daw, tanggal na daw. Kanina naman ko siya, gwapog tingog yun sa mga, so ihat sa mga ihat lang.
I-isbog na.
Siya, final practice pa yun.
Pero boss.
Wala yung mic.
Pa-special kayo yan, mag-gwapo ang presentation.
Okay, let's start.
No.
1, 2, 3. One, two, 1, 2, 3.
Ano ba?
1, 2. Wala ko sa.
Okay.
Basta nagtabot tayo. 1, 2, 3, go.
Ito ang pag-ibig.
Ako ay sabog, di ko namalayan. Ang apoy na naglalagabla sa iyong mga mata. Ang pag-ibig na ito'y kumuha ng kabayaran. Siya ay nagpaalam ng maraming beses. Ang kanyang puso'y nawasak sa aking harapan. Ako'y walang pagpipilian sapagkat ayoko mapaalam. Wait guys, parang ang pangit.
Kung ano?
Gawin natin English.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This love, I was so high, I did not recognize the fire burning in her eyes. This love has taken its toll on me. She said goodbye too many times before, and her heart is breaking in front of me. And I have no choice, cause I won't say goodbye anymore. Wait guys, parang pangit pa rin. Lagyan natin ng, lagyan natin ng tune. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Bring the beat in! Parang lang ang top lang. Yung kaya.
Go po. Thank you.
Hey!
Ikaw lang. Guys, itong movement. Tayaw.
Kantong ako.
I try my best to be their appetite. People coming every night, so people satisfied. Keep playing love like it was just a game, pretending you feel the same, never to return again. She said goodbye everything's alright. My fingers on her hips, fingertips. For you.
That's right, you.
Love has. Start with 32. She said.